Hello student, today we will do question number 4 from exercise 6.2 NCERT Math Books class 10. So without further ado, let's get started. Question number 4 in figure 6.19, this figure, DE parallel AC and DF parallel AE. Prove that VE, this we have to prove. So first question number 4, in triangle DE parallel AC, so in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, DE parallel given AC. So therefore, BD divided by AD is equal to BE divided by AC. This is number 1. Now in triangle BDE, in triangle ABE, so in triangle ABE, in triangle ABE, DF parallel AE. So therefore, BD by AD is equal to BF by FE. This is 2. From 1 and 2. Here is also first also BD by AD, and here is also BD by AD. So BF here by FE is equal to BE by EC. Wrote BF and BD by AD also, all are 3 equal, means BD by AD, this and this, all 4 are equal. So this we have to prove, B by EC. I hope you must have understood the solution. Today up to here, we will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care.